So today, let's discuss about the Go programming language, and let's also discuss about the installation process of Go programming language and what ideally does we use for this particular Go programming language. So basically, Go programming language had been created by the Google people itself, and at 2008 they had been created the Go programming language. And okay, let's discuss all these details. Jump the video now. Let's focus only upon installation process of the Go programming language. Simply, you need to go for this. There is my here I got it. Chrome, and then you need to do that's it. So after this, you'll get you need to click the first link, and then you'll get into this. So basically, if you're using Apple, then you need to click this. If you're using Linux, you need to click. If you're using any other source, you need to click this. I'm actually using Microsoft Windows, so for that particular purpose, I'm gonna click this, and then that's the thing which you need to do. And then next, you need to keep. So after that, this will be installed, and after this will be downloaded, and after completion of the downloading, you have to install it. And also, I'd like to tell you one thing. You need to also download the IDLE in previous videos for the Python programming language. We had been installed PyCharm as an IDLE, but now for this particular purpose, I'm going to install VS Code as an IDLE. Not only the PyCharm but also Jupyter. All those IDLEs are available for Python, and then even for this Go programming language also there are many IDLEs are available, but we are going to install VS Code. Okay, we're going to download the VS Code. Yeah. Let's get you need to VS Code download. That's it. And then you need to open the first link. See, basically, what I like when it comes to Google is whatever we want, all those things will be available in the first link itself. That's the thing which I really love the Google. And then let's open this also. So if you're using a Mac or Apple device, you need to click this. If you're using the Windows, you need to click this. So actually, I'm using the Windows. So for that particular purpose, I'm going to click this. Okay. Again. So even this is also going to be downloaded. So now let's go open, or else let's wait for some time because VS Code needs to be downloaded, right? It's okay. Let's open this and let's start installation process. Preparing to install. So you need to click next, and then again you need to click next. Program files, install. So that's it. It's an IDLE which you use for the Go programming language. Open. It's installing. Let's accept the agreement. Let's click next, 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 install. So this is how we can install the VS Code. So you know what's a full form of VS Code? It's an Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So Microsoft is the name of a company. Everything VS. V stands for Visual, and S stands for the studio. C stands for the code. That's it. We need to run S. We are installing both the Go and VS Code simultaneously at the same time. Actually, we shouldn't install in that way, but I'm installing. So you install any one programming language and then you install the IDL. Don't install both at a time. It isn't good for the computer. Finish. So we had installed the VS Code. The VS Code is something which is really itchy bitchy and shiny wine of the Go programming language. 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 Not in the installation. And then after completion of the installation, you can simply click finish. So yeah, here even the VS Code had been also installed. So now let's do one thing. Now let's open any file in the VS Code. How to open? Okay, I'm gonna show you. File, new file. So that's it. So we got a new file. As in this way, we can install the VS Code. And now let's check with the Go programming language. For that particular purpose, you need to go for the command prompt. You need to open the command prompt. Yeah. Well, see, basically after opening the command prompt, what you need to do is you need to simply click Gvo. So we got all these things, right? If you got all these things, in the sense the Go programming language had been installed. That's the thing. See, Go is a tool for managing Go source code, and we got all this code stuff. So it indicates that Go programming language had been installed successfully. So that's the thing. That's how we install Go programming language, and that's how we install VS Code, Visual Studio Code. That's the thing. And next video, let's discuss about the programming upon how to implement programming upon the Go programming language, how to do programming in the Go programming language. That's it.